With Kroger Delivery, you don't need a With Kroger Delivery, you don't need a With Kroger Delivery, you don't need a With Kroger Delivery, you don't need a
Hello, are we live? I have turned on my mic. Alright, is my mic working? TML. Alright, if it's like low quality, then that means I have the wrong microphone connected. Let me check that real quick. Audio, I think? Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. It's good. Okay. So, it doesn't look like there's a lot of people here, so I might need some more. But, you know what, they can pick up when they join. So, if you haven't read the title, I am going to be attempting to code on Roblox, because if you guys don't know, my dream job is to be a game developer, and this is like the first step. So, this should help me do that. So, let's get started. So, first of all, if you haven't joined the Discord, make sure to join in the description, and the subreddit is in the description too. Make sure to read any other information in the description. Oh, hello, Flutter the Thing. Welcome to the stream. First moderator in the stream. Yippee! Okay. So, here's how it's gonna work. So make sure to like the stream, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm sure most of you here already have, and you guys can see my screen, right? Just making sure. So, let's close out of this stuff. So, here's how it's gonna work. I'm going to use this right here, this like whole entire website right here, to like kind of learn and kind of get my way to doing this Roblox Studio. And if my stream like just stops all of a sudden, that means it crashed, because my computer is extremely weird and it likes to do that sometimes. So I'm really sorry if that does happen, but I will make it up to you guys if it does. So let me just make sure it's all good. My computer is... I'll mute it. Sometimes I just like to go in, make sure everything's going well. Yep. Okay. It's showing everything. Should be going good. We have a whole base plate here. We can make anything. Like, anything. Oh, we have 4 viewers. Nice. So, before we get started, if you have any questions or anything, ask now, because I will be getting started soon, because I got all this prepared. And yeah, because if we go and do it, we have this whole base plate here. Anything can be created. Anything. Yeah. So, that's what we'll be doing today. Yeah. I'm gonna make a poll. Who's ready? Me. Not me. I'll see if people are ready or not. Oh, we got 2 votes. 1 vote. Okay, 2 votes. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I just found it today. I just found the cursor today, and I loved it so much that I put it on. Hey, why isn't it in Roblox? Oh, it only happens when I'm in the actual studio. Ah. Okay, well, this is a little bit of like a solo project, but maybe like another time we can do like a little collab thing or something. That would be cool, right? So, sometimes I like to pretend like it's in the game. Okay, so we got some people here. Alright. Should we get started, everybody? I should make like a soundboard so I can like do cheering and stuff. I don't know. I'll figure out how to do that. I want to do that so bad. Soundboard for the stream. That would be so awesome. So, dun 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 dun. I made the base plate huge. What happens if we press play? Will we spawn on top of it? Oh, yo. Ah. Okay, that's horrifying. There we go, it's back to normal. Got all our stuff here. Yeah. So, should we get started, everybody? Type it up in the chat. Woohoo. I'm certainly excited for this. Why does my voice sound different? What the heck? My voice sounds different. My voice is changing. Anyways. So yeah, this is the subreddit right here. Guys, make sure to read the rules and stuff. I have a post right here. I wish you could pin. Awesome! I love inspiring people. So now, whoa. So here is where we'll be learning. So create a project. After you complete the onboarding tour and are familiar with Roblox Studio's user interface, you're ready to start creating experiences on the platform. Using a sample high-quality catapult asset pack, this tutorial walks you through the creation process for an experience in which players can launch 5 projectiles toward targets on floating platforms, including guidance on building and organizing a data model for a single place using one of Studio's project templates, customizing both primitive and complex 3D objects from the creator store with unique properties for your own gameplay requirements, organizing and placing scripts in their proper locations so the Roblox engine can properly simulate and render gameplay, playtesting and publishing your creation to a global audience that accesses platform using a variety of devices. Alright, after you complete this process, you can learn how to recreate a simple 3D platformer experience with the core curriculum. Experiment with different experiment with different use case tutorials, or start making your own project. I cannot read today. Okay. Now we're getting into creating the project. A project is a collection of assets, settings, and other resources that together represent an experience. All projects start with a single place that players load into when they join an experience, but you can create additional places within that same experience to organize assets for different gameplay areas. For example, if you want players to join a dungeon before teleporting to either a vast desert or spooky island, you can organize the assets for each area into their own place. Oh. Alright. A place's object hierarchy. Oh my god, I cannot read today. What is going on with me? It's a data model, and it describes everything that compiles that gameplay area, such as the objects that make up the 3D world to objects that control runtime behavior. When you first open a project, the starting place's data model is relatively simple, but it can quickly become more complex depending on the amount of objects, interactivity, or behavior you want to implement in your experience. Okay. So, let me read over it again, hold on. Okay. Got it. For your first experience, this tutorial teaches you how to build and organize a data model for a single place using one of Studio's project templates. Project templates are useful because they provide a set of default objects in the starting place's data model that you can use to build experiences for different genres. For example, If you want to build a roleplay experience with the sprawling city, you can open the modern city template that includes reusable wall, window, and door objects you can snap together to create unique building variations. Similarly, if you want to build a racing experience, you can open up the racing template that includes a working race car and a winding track of object that can restructure in countless configurations. Okay. To keep things simple, this tutorial instructs you how to create a project with the baseplate template because it includes two default objects that are important for almost every experience on the platform. Spawn location. A spawn location object is where players appear in the 3D space when they join an experience, as well as where they respawn when their health reaches 0. Baseplate. A baseplate is a floor with a 4x4 grid texture. The template is a great starting point to create your first experience because it provides a neutral world with high fidelity lighting technology and a floor that aligns with stud measurements that you can use to position and orient 3D objects along a grid. Studs are Studio's base unit of length, and each stud equates to about 28 centimeters. For more information on Studio's primary units, see Roblox units. This is probably so boring for you guys. People are leaving. Oh my goodness. People are leaving. Okay. Baseplate template tile. To open a project with the baseplate template, open Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio. Yeah, I have it open. Right here. Don't worry. The landing page displays all available project templates. 2. Select the baseplate template tile. Studio opens a new experience with a spawn location and a baseplate. Get asset pack. Now that you have a project open, you can add additional 3D objects to the data model aside from the spawn location and baseplate. Studio represents 3D objects such as base part objects that render with physical simulation in the 3D space and emulate real-world physical behavior like gravity, friction, and force. There are several types of base part objects, but the most common are parts. A part object is Studio's primitive 3D object that comes in 5 different shapes: ball, blocks, cylinder, wedge, and corner wedge. Meshes. A mesh part object is a collection of vertices, edges, and faces that make up an object from a third-party modeling application. To help you become familiar with both types of 3D objects, this tutorial provides you an asset pack that includes the following parts and meshes that create the core gameplay for your first experience. A catapult model of meshes that you can aim left or right from your grounded platform. 3 ball projectiles that you can equip to the catapult. 2 floating platform meshes with block part targets you can knock over with projectiles. Okay. So guys. So what we have learned so far about this stuff. Workspace is like all this. And the base plate is the whole entire ground. And this is the spawn location. Something else we have learned is the parts. So it looks like you can take parts like blocks, like you can reshape them, change the material, which is honestly really cool. Like we just changed this to bricks. Look at that. Just made a brick wall. Made a brick wall. And that's called a part. So that's interesting. So yeah, this is the base plate. We can do anything with it. It's where you spawn when you die. So when we reset, we spawn right back at the base plate. Just like that. So that's pretty much what we've learned so far. So I'm confused about... Hold on. Where are those? Meshes? Not sure where those are, but... So, chat, are you understanding this so far? Because I'm understanding, but like, at the same time I'm not. Like, I'm a little stuck. Jeez, is there even anybody here? I don't even think there's anybody here. Type in chat if you're here. You know what? I have an idea. I'll do a poll. One person's here. Where'd everybody go? So I just got informed about plugins. Not too sure how they work though. Okay, guys. Okay. Hold on, guys. I'm back, guys. Oh, hello there. Welcome to the stream. Make sure to subscribe and like. This is gonna be quite the journey. Okay, so... Oh no. Let's get... Okay, so... Let me refresh the stream real quick. Oh, so you can code? Maybe you can help out a little bit. Oh, I forgot to change the screen. Also, guys, I'm adding a technical difficulties screen, and then we're gonna make it an image. Oh, you shared the stream. Thank you. All right, so I do have a question. How do you like get to the thing where you can like actually code the game? Like, I'm a little stuck on like how to start. Thank you for sharing the stream, by the way. Everybody should do that. Yes. Also, guys, if you saw my community post. Oh, hello, Richard. My screen on. Okay, wait. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So I'm just at a base plate right now because I just started a little bit ago. So I'm like a little lost on how to start. Oh, let me add this real quick. It's what do we call technical difficulties? And we're gonna choose from here. There. Oh, okay. Wait. We're gonna. Oh, that. It's supposed to be right here. Server script service. Wait. Server script service. So it's on the left side of my screen. I probably shouldn't select that. I don't see it. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. I found it. Script. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Basically, that is where server side code is run. Okay. Now, it is time for the main part of this. Actually learning to code. Thanks to him. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but Pandas, or I'm not good at pronouncing things. So I was thinking just like I was thinking of just scripting like just like a, wait, actually I don't know. Let me think of something. Chat, give me ideas. Give me ideas, chat. Ball, 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 oh, well, I'll open DMs on my phone, so you can tell me. Or you could tell me, or you could just tell me in the live chat. Okay, so all I've learned so far is just, like, kind of what everything is. I haven't I've started learning like around the studio. Okay, guys. But I'm gonna close this poll. Should we do a chasing game? Which was a suggestion. Indeed. More suggestions. Alright, we should get some votes soon. Oh, it's mixed up. Okay, well, it's getting mixed. Jeez, we have 7 people watching. That's insane. Make sure to vote, guys. I just want like an idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. So like, what's the basics to coding? It's like, how should I start? Like, where in the code should I start? Because I don't know how to code at all. Okay, so do I get rid of print hello world? Because like okay. Alright, here we go. So you said to put local num1 local num1 like that. Oh wait, spaced out. Spaced out. Local num1 equals 5. Local num2 equals 2. Print num1 what num1 wait num2 2 like that. Click view. Where is view? View. Here we go. So you can see what is printed. And open the output. Oh. Alright. Try running it? Okay. Wait. Okay, so what did this script do? So what does the script do? Oh. So so I could like change the numbers. Oh. So if I change that. Oh. I don't think that worked. Oh, hold on. Oh, so that would mean... okay. So you can add it too. Ah. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. For real. Bro's a legend. Okay. Let me try to find a way. Yeah. So I could change the 5 and the 2. I can change this to 3, right? Yeah, and then to make... yeah. I think it worked, right? Is that how it works? Yeah. I'm so lucky to have a coder come in here. Wait, let me go to... let me try to... like, go to the other chat thing. Yeah, here's the other chat. Functions. Yippee! Functions. Alright. I'm stretching. I'm so happy that like, this is my first time ever coding something like that. Even though it's, like, extremely simple, I'm still happy. Like, I've never done that before. Alright. Yeah, DM me. Oh, is that you? Okay. Oh, hello there. Okay, so we gotta get rid of this code. Okay, let me go to Discord, because this awesome gentleman has given me the code to put in. So, here we go. So, yeah, what? There's a server, a Beluga YouTuber, and I've been in there for like a year. Anyways. Okay, so also, guys, this is the Discord server. This is what it looks like. It's pretty fire. Wait. Okay. Now let's run it. Looks like it did something. Down here. Nice. You said bad words on the stream? So before we continue, I just wanna advertise my server a little bit. So when you join, you will be welcomed in this channel. Then there's a whole bunch of important stuff here, like server updates, bios for the My Singing Monsters, because this server is for My Singing Monsters fan-made game that I'm making with a whole bunch of other devs. And these are the bios for the monsters. You'll find them here. And all the latest announcements here. Like, there's been a ton. It's really awesome. You have the rules here. Make sure to read them when you join. Monster pronunciations. You have them here. Featured art. If you submit fan art, you have a chance every week. A random art will be chosen from the fan art channel, to be featured here. And then we have TML animations, which shows the animations for the game. We have new videos, so you never miss a new video. Concept art, so like this little fun things, just to behind the scenes. TML full songs, I will upload full songs here. New monsters, this is my favorite channel. This is where you get to see the newest monsters. voting. This is where you get to vote on things that could be added into the game. Island designs. These are all the island designs for the game. Roles. This is where you can get different roles to be pinged for and more. Lore. This is all the lore for the game, which is still to be continued. Talk to Clicker. This is a game I'm working on. It has a link here, so you can play it and you can stay up to date with the latest updates. And the lobby is where you can see the fact, which is where this is where you can frequently ask questions. You can report people here if you have different stuff. Art, you can submit fan art. You can put monster ideas for the game. Edits, TML memes, and you can advertise only if you're a dev. These are some fun things right here, which right now I'm only counting. This is all the developers only stuff, so only developers can access these. So yeah, make sure to join. Links in the description. Okay, let's get back to it, everybody. Oh yeah, that's right. Anyways, now to make it a little more clean, you can change the print statement into a variable like this. Looking on. Okay, so uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on, let me check on the stream. It seems fine. Oh, okay. So, replace line 5 with that. There we go. The stream's always delayed, so that's not really anything new. Okay, stream is healthy again. The stream is good again. Yippee! Alright, the stream is back to being good. Good equals good. Well, duh. Anyways. Let me check DMs real quick. This looks like I got a few DMs. Okay, guys, so we're getting so much help and I'm so thankful. This is so awesome. If I don't do all of it today, then I'll make a part 2. I just chose today to stream because I have 3 days off You know, I'm gonna do a poll. I'm gonna do a poll. The MSM update on Wednesday seems boring. Two votes for yes. Okay. Ah. Gotcha. Alright. So we got some code here, which is super awesome. Well, oh my gosh, we have so many people. Hi guys. Also, Mr. Boskus, man, I'm assuming you'd be on Wednesday because that's usually when MSM updates come. I really hope it's this Wednesday because it's like the only Wednesday I have off in until end of November, I think. There's so many people here. Wow. Welcome to the stream, guys. Alright. Ah, alright. Thank you for spreading the word. I'm so glad you guys are here. So, if you guys don't know, I'm learning to code on Roblox. And we have somebody in the chat helping me. Yippee! I can change it. My brain. Okay. My dog just broke in. Hold up. There we go. Sorry, my dog came in. I missed my Duolingo yesterday. Wait, what? I swear I did it. I literally did it. I literally did my Duolingo yesterday. What? And I'm in the demotion zone? Let's not focus on Duolingo right now. Whew, okay. Oh, okay, I see that code. So I can change this to like 5. Oh. Oh. Jaden, right as you said that, I got an Amber Alert. Right as you said that, I got an Amber Alert. Oh my gosh. It's not about Duolingo though. That scared me though. I thought Duolingo was coming for me. Because you guys were saying run. Alrighty, so. Okay guys, so this is the code I have so far. I don't know if this is right, but you know what? I just started. Bro, what is going on in the other room? Hold up. What is going on in the other room? I'll be right back. I think they're trying to get my dog to go in there. Hold up. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, guys. Okay. What happened while I was gone? Whoa! Okay, Richie. Okay. Okay, Richie. Okay, guys. I'm ready to continue. I'm out of breath. I was just running in a really weird way. I was running in a really weird motion. Okay, anyways. I can run it now. Okay. /e dance. Ah, no. Okay. So, it's me, El Capybara. Oh. Sorry. Okay. I just remember I forgot to turn on the screen. Duolingo's coming inside of you. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're doing good, guys. We're making great strides. This is probably my favorite stream. This is like so fun. Look at this. I have code. Guys, we're doing great. Thanks to the help of him. Guys, what is going on in the chat? This is insane. Oh my. Bro defeated Duolingo. Bro defeated the bird. Alright guys. So let's now pull up something, the Dev King. The Dev King. Here we go.
Alright, yo.
Guys, look who it is. Say hi, everybody, to Miracle Kelsey Musical. Here they are. Yeah, I know. Streams are delayed. We're making great progress, guys. Now it's time for the Dev King.
What is going on, guys? So this is my first
Shout out to the Dev King.
video. It is the Dev King here. I know my name is kind of cheesy, but I hope you guys enjoy the name actually. But anyways, it's the Dev King here, and I'm going to be starting my scripting or beginner scripting tutorial. So this is it, guys. Basically, in this tutorial series, I'm going to be showing you guys everything there is about scripting, from printing to functions to loops to events to remote functions, everything. Okay, like I want to teach you guys everything so you can make awesome games, like games on the front page such as Jailbreak and Meep City and all that stuff. I'm going to be teaching you guys everything about scripting and how to do it all. So if you want to learn completely how to script, then this is how you do it, guys. Alright, anyways, before we get into the video, I just want to announce one thing. I just want to shout out PeacePod, okay? Like, I learned a lot from him, like, a few months ago. And it's hard to learn sometimes when you're doing scripting tutorials because sometimes they just stop or they leave a gap in the video and, like, you kind of get confused. Come reply to your comments as well so they can help you out. And if you're in the comment section below and anyways, that's all I wanted to say. And let's get into your first video, or first tutorial. So, first things first, you're going to need to download Roblox Studio. So the link to it is going to be in the description below. It's just roblox.com/create. But the link's in the description below if you don't want to type that in. Anyways, after you have it open and installed, you're just going to want to go ahead and go to New, and you're going to want to hit All Templates. And now all templates means basically like Roblox gives you a few like beginner templates to start out building your game. Although we want to make our own game from scratch, so we're not going to use any of these. So yeah, that's basically what it is. Anyways, all templates, and then hit baseplate. And now it'll just start up the server for you, so give that a second. So now it's open, and you have everything you need. So I'm not going to be like, or I am going to be actually explaining like almost everything there is to know about this. So if you already had a bit of experience with a studio, you might want to go to the next tutorial because this one is going to be like from the ground up. But if you want to review, that's fine too. So anyways, workspace. Okay, I'm gonna explain what the workspace is. Okay, so the workspace is basically just everything you can see. Okay, so everything I can see right now is the workspace. All right, so if I add a part in here, it's in the workspace. Now if I put it to server storage, you can't see it anymore because it's in server storage. Now I'll explain all this other stuff and like all this stuff in a later video because it's a bit more advanced. But all you need to know for now is this. Now, anyways, we delete that part. But I'm sorry if you guys don't have like the Explorer or properties or output shown up, you're going to want to go ahead and go to the View tab at the top of your screen, alright? And then you're just going to want to go hit Explorer and Properties and Output. Make sure they're all grayed out. And you can move them around too by just doing this. So it's actually kind of cool because I usually have mine like this, like Explorer on here and Properties on here. But for beginner's sake and for how like it looks by default, I'll keep it like this. So anyways, now I'm going to explain to you a few basic features of a part because you're going to need to know that for scripting, and and I'll show you how to make your first script, and then the next video will actually start scripting. So yeah. Anyways, so let's go ahead and insert a part. So to insert a part, you're going to want to go to the Home tab or the Model tab, and then you want to click the Part button. Okay, pretty simple, not that hard. Now, if you go to the part and you click on it,
guys, my turtle just freaked out. That scared the heck out of me. Oh my goodness. Hold on, guys. Alright, I'm back. That was weird. Just had a big freak out for a second. How's chat doing? Oh. Nobody's watching. Anyways, let's continue the tutorial.
In the workspace, right, this will give you all the properties for that part. Now, so you'll be doing this every single day, and hand in hand, that's what you do. And there are a bunch of cool features, or variables is what you call them, and you can change all of these values and variables with properties, or you can do it in script. So it depends what you want to do, like while the game's running. But if you can build something, you don't have to really use a script for it, which is kind of cool. But anyways, so let's go ahead and explain like a few basic properties and which ones you'll need. Okay, so you're gonna want to click on the part, and you can change the brick color. So I'll make it really blue. So the brick color is called really blue, and I can make it yeller. That's what it's called.
So we can import parts. Look at this huge block. It's so big. Wow. Let's move that out of the way because this is going to be intense. But this is going to be the biggest block you've ever seen. Look at that. So if we play, well, you can't even see the full thing because it's so. I think my stream is about to crash. If the stream is about to crash, then if the stream is about to crash, then if the stream's about to crash, then I'll see you guys in the next part, I guess. Stream is about to crash. Hello, guys. Wait. I'm learning how to code because I've never coded before. Anyways, let's get back to the actual coding.
new yellow, so yellow, and yeah, basically just color. I'm gonna make it like a little nice white, or that's actually a violet. But anyways, let's go ahead and change the material. So the material is just it's pretty simple. The material. So that's foil, that's brick, that's concrete. I'm sure you get the gist by now.
Wait,
It's in
I need
a
to
lot
go
of your
back
comments
to
as
the
well, so they can
tutorial.
help you out. Anyway, tutorial because this one is going to be like from the ground up. But if you want to review, that's fine too. So anyways, workspace. Okay, I'm going to explain what the workspace is. Okay, so the workspace is, you can see. Okay, so everything I can see right now is the workspace. Alright, so if I add a part in here, it's in the workspace. Now if I put it to server storage, you can't see it anymore because it's in server storage. Now I'll explain all this other stuff and like all this stuff in a later video because it's a bit more advanced. But all you need to know for now is this. Now, anyways, I'm gonna delete that part. But I'm sorry if you guys don't have like the Explorer or properties or output shown up, you're gonna want to go ahead and go to the View tab at the
View. View tab. Okay.
top of your screen. All right, and then you're just gonna want to go hit Explorer and properties. And output. Make sure they're all grayed out. And you can move them around too by just doing this.
Oh. There we go. I have it there.
So it's actually kind of cool because I usually have mine like this, like Explorer on here and properties on here, but for beginner's sake and for how like it looks by default, I'll keep it like this. So anyways, now I'm going to explain to you a few basic features of a part because you're going to need to know that for scripting, and and I'll show you how to make your first script, and then the next video will actually start scripting. So yeah. Anyways, so let's go ahead and insert a part. So to insert a part, you're going to want to go to the Home tab or the Model tab, and then you want to click the Part button. Okay, pretty simple. Not that hard. Now, if you go to Part and you click on it in the workspace, right, this will give you all the properties for that part.
Oh.
Now, so you'll be doing this every single day in hand in hand.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, that's what you do. And there are a bunch of cool like features or variables is what you call them, and you can change all of these values and variables with properties, or you can do it in script. So it depends what you want to do like while the game's running. But if you can like build something, you don't have to really use a script for it, which is kind of cool. But anyways, so let's go ahead and explain like a few basic properties and which ones we'll need. Okay, so you're gonna want to click on the part, and you can change the brick color.
Yo, this is awesome. I changed the color. You can change the material too. Carpet, whoa, that's awesome. Cardboard. Wait, what was it like before? Concrete.
So I'll make it really blue. So the brick color is called really blue, and I can make it yellow. That's what it's called, new yellow. So yellow, and yeah, basically just color. I'm gonna make it like a little nice white, or that's actually a violet. But anyways, let's go ahead and change the material. So the material is just It's pretty simple. The material. So that's foil, that's brick, that's concrete. I'm sure you get the gist by now. It's the material. That's sand. Okay, so you'll be using this in your games depending on what you like to use. My personal favorite type of material is smooth brick. It just looks, or smooth plastic. It just looks really nice, and there's no like material on it. It's just like kind of like clean, nice walls and good for building, in my opinion. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and move this up a little bit, so we can click on it, get the move tool, and you can move it up. And you also have the scale tool and stuff. The scale tool basically scales it, so you can move like this, you can move like this, you can move like this, or like this. So yeah, that's pretty obvious. And then you have a rotate tool, which is just like you can turn it like on the y-axis or on this axis or on this axis to make it look really cool. But if you're wondering how I'm like undoing all this stuff, or undoing it, if you press Control Z, it'll actually undo what you did, and you press Control Y, it'll redo what you did. That's very useful. You'll be using that all the time. That also works when you're using scripts. So anyways, now that I've shown you that, I want to show you a few more features of this. So obviously you have the name, which is I'm going to name it my part, and you have the class name. The class name is basically what it is. Okay, so like if I have a I'm trying to give an example. If I have a like a different thing, it'll be called a different class name. So this is terrain, this is the camera, so by default like the name or what you'd actually call it. But anyways, don't worry about that right now. So orientation is just the rotation. Don't worry about that either. You might not be using that for a little while, so this is just, I'll show you real quick. So I can press 90 or type in 90, and it'll turn it all the way around on one side. So that's a little bit more advanced, but don't worry about it. So anyways, go back to the part. So position is the same thing. You can move it around with the coordinates, so you can get exact values. So boom, I just moved it back to the 0 on the Z, and I'll move it to 0 on the X. So boom, now it's in the exact center. So that's kind of cool. Anyways, anchored, archivable, and can collide are all these kind of features. Okay, and locked. Now you're going to be using the anchored and can collide the most. Archivable, just leave that checked. Don't even worry about that. This will be the most important. Okay, collide and anchored. Archivable and can collide are all these kind of features. Okay, and locked. Now you're going to be using the anchored and can collide the most. Archivable, just leave that checked. Don't even worry about that. This will be the most important. Okay, collide and anchored. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what anchored and can collide does. So if you press play, sorry, the block is in the air, right? But it's gonna fall down. Now you may be wondering like why it fell.
Where'd it go? It just disappears.
And I'll move it to 0 on the X. So boom, now it's in the exact center. So that's kind of cool. Anyways, anchored, archivable, and can collide are all these kind of features. Okay, and locked. Now you're going to be using the anchored and can collide the most. Archivable, just leave that checked. Don't even worry about that. This will be the most important. Okay, collide and anchored. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what anchored and can collide does. So if you press play, sorry, the block is in the air, right?
So now it should work. It didn't work. Okay. Oh, locked. You have to select locked. Nope, didn't work. Hold up. No, 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 no,
Learn
no,
some.
no.
Alright, yo, what is going on? Other stuff in this, and like all this stuff in a and there are a bunch of cool like features or variables is what you call them, and you can change all of these values and variables with properties, or you can do it in script. So it depends what you want to do like while the game's running, but if you can like build something, you don't have to really use a script for it, which is kind of cool. But anyways, so let's go ahead and explain like a few basic properties and which ones we'll need. Okay, so you're gonna want to click on the part, and you can change the brick color. So I'll make it really blue. So the brick color is called really blue, and I can make it yellow. Just it's pretty simple. The material. So that's foil, that's brick, that's concrete. I'm sure you get the gist by now. It's the material. That's sand. Okay, so you'll be using this in your games depending on what you like to use. My personal favorite type of material is smooth brick. It just looks, or smooth plastic. It just looks really nice, and there's no like material on it. It's just like kind of like clean, nice walls and good for building in my opinion. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and move this up a little bit, so we can click on it, get the move tool, and you can move it up. And you also have the scale tool and stuff. The scale tool basically scales it, so you can move like this, you can move like this, you can move like this, or like this. So yeah, that's pretty obvious. And then you have a rotate tool, which is just like you can turn it like on the y-axis or on this axis or on this axis to make it look really cool. But if you're wondering how I'm like undoing all this stuff, or undoing it, if you press Control Z, it'll actually undo what you did, and you press Control Y, it'll redo what you did. That's very useful. You'll be using that all the time. That also works when you're using scripts. So anyways, now that I've shown you that, I want to show you a few more features of this. So obviously you have the name, which is I'm going to name it my part, and then you have the class name. The class name is basically what it is. Okay, so like if I have a I'm trying to give an example. If I have a like a different thing, it'll be called a different class name. So this is terrain, this is the camera, so by default like the name or what you'd actually call it. But anyways, don't worry about that right now. So orientation is just the rotation. Don't worry about that either. You might not be using that for a little while, so this is just, I'll show you real quick. So I can press 90 or type in 90, and it'll turn it all the way around on one side. So that's a little bit more advanced, but don't worry about it. So anyways, so boom, I just moved it back to the 0 on the Z, and I'm anchored, archivable, and can collide are all these kind of features, okay, and locked. Now, you're going to be using the anchored and can collide the most. Archivable, just leave that checked. Don't even worry about that. This will be the most important. Can collide and anchored. Yeah. So,
Wait, this
anyways,
is stuck. This is
anchored, archivable, and can collide are all these kind of features, okay, and locked. Now, you're going to be using the anchored and can collide the most. Archivable, just leave that checked. Don't even worry about that. This will be the most important. Can collide and anchored. Yeah. So, anyways.
so I don't check. I don't check archivable. It keeps like not being there. Where is it?
I'm going to go ahead and show you what anchored and can collide does. So if you press play, sorry, the block is in the air, right? But it's going to fall down. Now, you may be wondering like why it fell down, because it's in the air, right? Like it's in the air. So you'd think it'd stay in the air. But currently Roblox applies like basic like physics, so like gravity. If that's too advanced, don't worry about that. Gravity is basically just like stuff that pushes stuff down, but don't worry about that. So if you press anchored, basically none of these stuff will affect it. Okay, so if you press anchored, it will just stay exactly where it was when the game started. So anchored just makes it stay.
Wait, I'm gonna try something. He was spawning. He was spawning up here. Wait, hold. It's just gone. Oh, it's here now.
Where it is. Okay, that's pretty simple. So you can jump on it, make obbies, you know, whatever you want to do. And now you have the can collide part. I want to move it down just a little bit because I want to be able to like walk. Alright, okay, I'll show you. But so can collide.
Oh, hi guys.
By default, can collide is checked. Okay, now can collide, pretty obvious in the name. It means you can collide with it. Okay, so if I touch it, it will collide with me and it'll bounce off me, or I can jump on it. Now if I turn it off and I hit play,
Stop, and then. Wait, let's move it down. Oh, so now I can't touch it. Or, yeah.
what happens is it'll actually, you'll go through it. So like as you can see here, I'm walking through the brick. I can't jump on or anything because I can't collide with it. So that's how you can make like walls you can walk through and stuff, which is pretty cool. You can change, and the best part is you can change all this stuff with scripts. Okay, so I can change every single one of these values, like all of these, with a script. So when you're in the game and you need to do it in the game, like how you make doors and stuff, you would just do that. Now also I forgot to mention transparency and reflectance. So transparency is just like obviously transparent. If you put it at 0.5, it'll be halfway see-through, you know.
Oh yeah, that's cool. That's cool. We can. Wait, where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Here it is. So if we put it to 50. You pretty much can't see it. But why is it like? You can see it changing. So when you put it to 1, it's completely just gone. With this. Wait. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna head out. See ya. Anyways.
You can't really see all the way through it. And if you put it at 1, it will be all the way see-through. So you can see all the way through it. But I'm going to keep mine 0. And reflectance, also pretty simple. How much it reflects. So as you can see while I move it, you can see that's reflecting the sky and those clouds and the sun. So yeah, that's kind of cool too. Anyways, that is your first tutorial. So that's pretty simple, guys. This is how you make your first little block and basic intro to Studio. But I'm going to show you guys how to insert a script real quick. So you're going to click on Workspace, you're going to hit the plus button, and you're going to type in script. Alright, now you have the script. Alright, so the script will run in Workspace or Server Script Service. If it's anywhere else, the script will not run. So make sure it's either in here or in here. Now, also one basic thing I want to tell you is printing. Okay, so printing is basically just like you can print stuff to the output. Okay, not actually printing like with like a paper or anything, but printing. You see, as if by default that script had print hello world in it. Now it printed hello world into the output. So yeah, that's our first tutorial, and yeah. And the next video will be scripting, probably using variables or showing you some more printing, or maybe both. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope this video wasn't too long, and I hope you subscribe and like the video. If you like the video, it lets me.
Okay, guys, so that was the first tutorial. We're gonna watch one more, and then we'll pick up another time. Turn on can collide. Alright, let's watch the next tutorial, and then...
If you've been waiting for a sign to try ReadyMag, this is it. This is your sign. Your sign to start creating...
Okay, yo, what is going on, guys? It is your favorite YouTuber here. I'm just kidding, but it is the Dev King here, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to script, or make your first script, and print. So yeah, let's get right into it. So, all you're going to want to do is go to the workspace on your Explorer, and you're going to click the plus button, and then type in script. And that's how you have your script. Now, just delete all this stuff. We don't need it right now, but...
let's get rid of the script. Okay, so we have the script now.
This is how you print, okay? So printing basically is just like putting stuff in the output. So I can print the Dev King is awesome, and it'll go right here. Now the thing is about this is that it's not really, it won't really show in your game at all. Like, it's not going to show anywhere in your game, but it's very useful for learning how to script and actually scripting itself, because you can fix like what's wrong, figure out what's wrong with your code. So printing is very useful later on down the line. But anyways, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that in the first video because it's very important. So you're going to want to go ahead and just type print into this.
Alright, let's get rid of that. Print.
Script, okay. Print.
Oh. Print.
And then you're going to want to put in parentheses, one parenthesis, and then one quotation mark.
Wait, I can't even see it.
You want to put in parentheses, one parenthesis, and then one quotation mark, and then you're going to type.
I can't see it.
And then one quotation mark, and then you're going to type in whatever you want. So I'm going to put the
Hopefully I'm doing this right. Oh, okay, I am.
the Dev King
Subscribe. Wait, can you
is awesome.
yeah. Subscribe to Chiseled C.
Okay? Now, obviously, this is very true, but you can print whatever you want. Just make sure it's in quotation marks and it's in parentheses, okay? So if it's like this, then that won't work. You need to make sure it's quotation mark and then quotation mark, and it's parenthesis around parenthesis, okay? So yeah, you understand what I mean. So you're gonna want to go ahead and hit play, and it's gonna load up my game. Okay, sorry, but it's gonna load up my game, and you're gonna see the Dev King is awesome in the script, or in the output. My bad. So it's really cool because it shows you whatever you want, and yeah. So now I'm gonna teach you how to print numbers. Okay, so if you're printing a number, you just want to go ahead and delete all this. I'm gonna delete this, and if you're printing a number, you're gonna type in print, just like you were before, and you're gonna type the number in, and then put it in the
Oh wait, I wasn't paying attention. Wait.
And if you're printing a number, you're gonna type in print. But it's gonna load up my game, and you're gonna see the Dev King is awesome in the script, or in the output.
Let me try that. Yep, there it is.
Oh, my bad. So it's really cool because it shows you whatever you want, and yeah. So now I'm going to teach you how to print numbers, okay? So if you're printing a number, you just want to go ahead and delete all this. I'm going to delete this. And if you're printing number,
we're doing. Okay. Let me make sure my stream is still going. Okay. It's in the poll.
Remember, you're going to type in print. Just like you were before. And you're going to type the number in and then put another parenthesis. Okay.
Is that what he did?
Okay. No quotation marks for numbers. Numbers are called integers. So if you hear integers, that means numbers, okay? And numbers, okay. Integers are
Numbergers.
not surrounded by quotation marks, okay? Only strings are, which was what the text was. So you're going to go ahead and hit play, and obviously, you guessed it, it's going to print 5. And it printed 5. And now, a cool thing you can do with printing is you can print 5 plus 5. So you guys know what that is, 10, obviously. But
Yep.
it's really cool because you can like literally use Roblox as a calculator if you want. But I mean, I'm sure that's not what you want to learn scripting for, but you could. So yeah, so 5 times, and the time symbol is the star, and then yeah, and then subtraction is obviously the minus. And I'll go into all those later because they're not that important right now. Another thing you want to learn about printing is the fact that you can print like decimal values too. So you can type in print 0.3.
Yo, that's awesome. So you can do like 0.4 times 5.3, 5.2. Ah, you can't do that.
Okay, and it'll print 0.3, obviously. So give that a second to load.
Oh yeah. What? Oh, that's because. Oh my gosh. That's why. I accidentally put an O instead of a 0. 5.64. 2.256. Yeah. Perfect way to cheat on your math homework. I'm just kidding. Hello, Whizbonk. How are you doing? We found the perfect way to cheat on your math test. Just say, I gotta go onto my computer. And then, don't open calculator. Just go into Roblox Studio. Go into your project, go to script. You can do all the math there. Oh, hello, Cupid. And hello, Lime MSM. Alright. Let's continue this.
Load. Alright, and print 0.3. So that's pretty much all I need to cover in printing right now, guys. It's kind of simple. So this tutorial is probably really short, but that's okay because it gets the the message across. So anyways, I'm gonna teach you one short thing that's really important for scripting, and then yeah, we'll be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter twice just to get some space.
Let's enter choice, chat.
Okay, and basically if you put 2 minus symbols or 2 dashes in like the script, in your script, it'll actually add a comment. So I can do comment. Alright, that's what that is. It's a comment. So I can do this comment is awesome. Okay, I spelled awesome wrong.
Subscribe to Chiseled C.
Wrong, but awesome. And yeah, the script or the executor, which is the script, will actually ignore the comment. So I can print this, and it'll ignore this. like it won't read the comment because there's 2 dashes or 2 minuses behind it. So it's really useful for knowing like, or you know, like keeping notes in your code. And I use it a lot, but it's good, really good practice to actually use it a lot. So yeah, and you can put it like anywhere you want basically. I just wouldn't put it like in here because it would comment the rest of the line out, so don't put it like in a line like that. But yeah, that's pretty simple. And if you guys want to see more tutorials, then make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow.
Alright guys, this was an awesome stream. Now, I will do a part 2 to this, 100%, because this is like the most fun I've ever had streaming. So, I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm tired, I smell really bad. My brain hurts. And thank you all so much for joining. This was an awesome stream, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you to one of our chat members for helping with the script, helping me understand. And thank you to the Dev King for helping me, which not like not me specifically, but like, you know, like this. Wait. Hi, Sample. Hi, Sample. Hello. Oh my goodness. It's an honor for you to be here. It's a real honor. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining the stream. It means a lot to me. Yes, I do. When I make test animations, I use his rigs, and sometimes I use it for videos, but don't worry, I credit, okay? I credit. Thank you all so much for joining. This was an awesome stream. Best one by far, and I'm going to make a part 2 to this. Because yeah, in my Tropical Oasis videos, I use your rigs, and in the description I put, like, thanks to Sampel for the rigs. See, right here. Right here. Sampel MSM. Oh, awesome. I'm so thankful for you coming here. Thank you. Your rigs are amazing. I'm currently trying to figure out how to rig myself. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining. I'm gonna end it now. So, bye guys. Bye everybody. Thank you for joining.